Hello everyone, my name is Sagar. I am here presenting my project of making web page using HTML. So my project is on student portal and I am here presenting my profile web page. The web page which is on the screen is my profile page as you see in on the screen. So this is my profile page where I include my picture, name, and skills, projects, and experience. So this is my profile page which I made using HTML only. So let's move to my codes. So these are my codes, and here I include dot simple boiler point and some basic tags and some of new tags are there as well. So let me explain the code. Like dot type HTML. Dot type HTML I used for the understanding of browser the HTML I used. So dot type HTML represents the HTML version 5 and HTML tag is this is the root of HTML, so it is necessary to mention while writing the HTML code as it is a root. And language attribute is used to as an language I am using in the code is English, that's why I used the language attribute as in English. And add portion includes meta, link, and title. So add tag is the actually add tag is not shown on the browser. It's only for not browser web page. It's only for understanding of the browser. So meta character meta tag is meta tag is used to provide information of the all the body oh, the body the information include in the body to show that we use meta tag. So meta character set it's to used to show the what the characters are used in the body the body part. So like in meta character set I used UTF-8. UTF-8 is the collection of all the languages in the world which is easily used to transform the all languages with each other in a faster speed which uses a 4 bit. And meta name attribute and content, this is for viewport means if you open this web page in a different devices it's compatible with the device. For that purpose I used meta name tag as we put and content width equal to device width, and initial is used for the zoom in purpose, and link tag is used for the icon which is shown on the display as on the tab like this icon. For this icon I used link relation as icon, and title is this only a student portal. And let's come to the body part. Firstly I would like to show the what's the address in the body. live. So here this is the header portion of the web page. So it's I given and include navigations and includes navigations here. So in header, first I include a div which is used as a container, and that container inside a container as a div I include an image which is my profile image. This this image I in, oh sorry, not this image. In header part actually, and inside a div I include this image as a load. And also for alternate, if there is an internet connectivity issue, that in that case you can able to see the name written as logo and width given for the size to maintain the size of this logo I given width as 50. And next I also then I given a different div as a container where I include navigations, and navigations I used to list listed by arranging in unordered list. For unordered list, I used UL tag and included a anchor tag for links. So HRF for the reference, hypertext reference where I include image tag hand and directly on test as it's shown in the navigation part of it. And let's move to main part. So in main part I include first I given a main div. Inside the main div I given an header as profile, and then I give some small divs, and where I include first in first div I include my profile picture and name and some information about myself self inside a paragraph. So for image I used image tag, and for height I give attribute width, and for in case of internet issue I give a test as profile, and I give an header as my name, subheader as my name, and then I describe my what what am I. For that I using the emphasizing tag for little emphasize me. To emphasize me I give emphasize tag like I am aspiring software developer, research enthusiast, tech enthusiast, problem solver. For emphasizing me I used emphasizing tag. And inside a paragraph I described myself in a short way, and again I give a container as a div using div tag, and in that div inside that div first I give subheader as h3 and include skills, and again give a subheader H4 in like programming language, and then in a another list I mentioned some programming courses, and again I give in subheader tools and platform, and I give some course what is skills of that tools of platforms I use like Git, GitHub, VS Code, that's all, and some other areas I included there. And again I give subheader soft skills, and I include some skills there. And next I given another I made another container as for including my projects. So there I first I given a subheader H3 named as projects, and then subheader H4 given as portfolio, where I include my I some portfolios where I worked like in unordered list. So in my portfolios in I worked in I design a responsive personal portfolio, and like I created recipe websites, so I included that as well here. And next I given sub adder blog website using H4, and also mentioned there, and also again given a container using div, and added subheader as h3 as experience, and then again subheader h4 for intensive other experience I included there. So as you can see, this is from bottom of the profile, from here to top of skills. This is a single container, and then from skills to soft skills, this is an certain container, and from projects to blog website, this is and third container, and experience to research assistant, this is an fourth container. So for container purpose I use the div tag. And in footer this part this part is for footer. So inside a footer I first used I div for container purpose, and I given copyright tag there, like copyright symbol. For copyright symbol I used and copy semicolon. For that symbol I used that, and I wrote, and I give a little copyright, some copyright stats like 2050 student portal or results. That's all. Thank you for watching this and staying with me.